There, so stop what you're doing on Alibaba.com for a second. The way you're hunting for products, the hours you spend vetting suppliers, like it's quickly becoming the soul line, right? For the savior seller, it might as well be outdating. So I once lost 2 weeks, over $1,000 on sample from a factory that looked perfect on paper. They had all the right keywords and pictures, but when it come down to it, they couldn't actually make the one critical customization I needed. That expensive mistake taught me a hard lesson. The old way of sourcing is a huge gamble. So, worse yet, back then I was stuck with a high minimum order just test to a single product idea, paid step express fees for tiny trial samples, and had a little safety net if the factory botched my shipment. So, but before you waste any other dollar or any other minute, I'm gonna show you some powerful AI features are quietly changing how searching works and how you can use it to get significant head to start on your competition. The mistake I made, and the one I see so many buyers still making, are relying only on keyword searches. You type in what you think is the right term, and what happens? Like you're instantly flooded with thousands of listings that look nearly identical at first glance. You spend hours of shifting through the 10 messaging suppliers and just hoping one of them is the right fit. And that taught me one of the most important lessons. Good sourcing isn't about finding just any listing, it's about finding the right partner, and it's about matching capabilities, certification, and quality, not just keywords. So here is where Alibaba.com quickly pulls ahead. It hosts a verified global network of 200,000 suppliers and supplying 200 countries and regions. Every supplier you see a flag verified has a verified by independent third-party institution. For years, the process was slow, expensive, and full of risk until now. Start with a simple shift and how you source. Think about the inspiration usually doesn't come from a keyword, does it? So it comes from an image. You might see a trending product on social media, a competitor's website, or even a video. Instead of just trying to guess the right keywords to find it, you can now use a tool called Alibaba Lens. It's a free Chrome extension that actually like a visual shortcut for sourcing. Let's say you spot a unique looking water bottle on a popular blog. The old way was to switch tabs, go to a wholesale marketplace, and start a guessing game. Instituted bottle, medal, flag, sport bottle with handle. It's frustrating, right? So now you just use Alibaba Lens extension to select the product image directly on the web page. Quickly, it scans millions of listings and shows you similar product from a wholesale supplier. But where the key benefits part, you can quickly filter for supplier that super customization. This simple step cuts the noise and the verified suppliers that can actually build your product. It's a first step to avoiding the mistake I made. So, and unlike random factories you find off platform, nearly most these Alibaba lands match verified suppliers offer ultra low minimum order quantities. You no longer need to commit hundreds of units just to test trending product you found online. Test small, validate demand, and then scale it. Finding the right product, just the start. The real challenge is vetting the supplier. How do you know they can actually deliver? This is where the second feature, AI mode, becomes your secret weapon. Going back to my expensive mistake, my problem wasn't just finding a product, it was finding a factory with a specific production capability. If AI mode has existed back then, my process would have been a lot easier. Instead of just a keyword, I could have described exactly what I needed in a natural language. Like, for example, I need a manufacturer for an inflatable luxury stand with a specific waterproof standards and materials. So AI mode doesn't just show your product listing, it generates a research driven report showing you market trends and even full product conception. It then algorithmically creates a list of suppliers showing you a card of each then details their experience, certification, and production scale. You can see right away if they have a right qualification, something that would have saved me a weeks of back and forth. So from there, you can even ask the AI to create a detailed request for a quotation and a RFQ with all your specific and send it to your shortlisted suppliers or at once. So it streamlines the entire tedious process of outreach. And there is one of the biggest benefits takeaway. AI mode doesn't just search for a faster, it helps you make better searching decisions. It reduces the risk of choosing the wrong partner by putting key data like certification capabilities right at your fingertips. So once you look in your ideal supplier match via AI mode, Alibaba.com's built-in logistics suite lowers another major searching headache: slow, unpredictable shipping. Many ready-to-ship items, quality for a dispatch, and every eligible order comes with delivery guarantee. So this three-part platform, a backbone verified MOQ trial option, plus generated logistic paired with the AI sourcing features and a big part of the set, Alibaba.com, apart from many other wholesale marketplaces out here. So if you're finding this helpful, be sure to subscribe. More the insight on staying ahead in e-commerce. A great way to see the power is to try these features yourself. So I put the link to get started in the description below. The old way of searching, endless scrolling, and guessing keywords, and manually comparing suppliers, giving away to much smarter approach. The new standard is about using AI to your advantage. It's not about replacing your judgment. It's about empowering with a better, faster data. So smart searching isn't about searching harder, it's about searching smarter. So Alibaba.com's AI features can handle a larger portion of the tedious upfront work, so we can focus on the final 20% building relationship, negotiation terms, and making the final call with confidence. So the future e-commerce is here and don't get left behind. So I dropped the direct link down links for both iOS and Android version of the Alibaba.com app down in the video description, and see you next time. Bye bye.